Okay, we're gonna open up the one of our level balls and see what we get. Yeah. Hopefully, this time. Well, I don't know what we're after, but I kind of like these tins because they're nice to just, put up on display. And we get the coin, which is the exact same coin. Look, I have a bunch of these coins. And we have Sword and Shield and 2 Sun and Moons. So, yeah, let's do the Sun and Moon first and see what happens. So, 4 to the front. Energy, Dragonair, Charge a Bug, Crushing Hammer, Alolan Meowth, Dupiter, Diglett, Marnie, Kangaskhan. So Kangaskhan's kind of our reverse holo there. Let's see, Sun and Moon. Let's see what we get here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fairy Energy, Potion, Spinda, Stunny, Cutiefly, Drowsy, Rowlet, Torkoal, Zubat, Alolan Diglett, and Tauros GX. I think we have this one as well. We got the Sun and Moon, but it is the Ghost Rare version. So, but, I won't complain for a Tauros. Or a GX Pokemon, that is. Now, for Sword and Shield, let's open these up. 1, 2, 3. Energy is the 4th, so there we go. Citrus Berry, Corvisquire, Thwackey, Yamper, Krabby, Qfant, Baltoy, Salandit. I think the next one's the reverse holo. Chinico. And let's see what we get. Cloyster, so nothing good. So here, I guess this Tauros GX is kind of the nice pull. So, yeah, let me focus, and that's about it.